weekend and we decided to go out for breakfast.
I think go out for breakfast, meaning every time we look forward to a weekend to go out. So we thought what best we can do is we can go somewhere close by. So which is why we've come here. We're going to take you around Irani Cafe, which is very famous. You must have seen it on OTT. You must have seen it in movies because it is used mostly for those kind of ambience. It's a vintage restaurant which started in 1932. It was earlier called King George Ford. Guess which is it? It is Kular at King Circle.
Beauty of this restaurant is the ambience. It's a very old restaurant. It was here before the Indian independence and they have maintained this ambience. In fact, once I put up just the photographs on my Instagram account, I had received so much rave reviews about the ambience of this place. Just beautiful. Here we are sitting at the coolers. This is the view, which is lovely.
This restaurant has been since British times, or probably earlier to British times, because it shows as 1932. It was bought by someone named Manduk Kular Zeb. That is why the restaurant is named after Kular. Is called Kular rather. Actually, it was earlier called King George IV, right? So that is how it is. It's been very vintage. We have seen this since childhood, but we never thought of coming in and exploring the Iranian menu. Those days where you walk into an Irani. So now I think
that walking into a non-veg restaurant.
yeah. So later, of course, we have explored it. We thought we never made a vlog out of it. So today we thought we'll get you all here. We'll also have some fun and then have a walk and then go home. So that's how we spend a good Saturday on a weekend.
This is so typical of Irani restaurants in Mumbai, where they have the menu card under the glass top of the table. So you can see the prices and get an idea. So our first order has arrived. It looks very yummy. It is a masala omelette with pav. So now the second order has come. We ordered a keema with a delicious looking pav. So Nandit, you can dig in. A lot of rules out here, typical of Irani restaurants. Only cash and no tissue papers. And here is the, what do you say? I'll just show you. Just look at this. Sorry.
I have to point to this, take a picture.
Yeah, I took that. That is really ridiculous. We have the Irani chai, which I have been waiting for so long.
So we ordered the Irani chai and that is the end of our breakfast day today. So we had a good time. We enjoyed the breakfast, which you can see from our faces. I'm already feeling sleepy. But now what we are going to do is we are not going to feel guilty through the day, and hence we are going to go for a walk. A good long walk which will kill all the cholesterol and all the oil that is gone inside. So hope you will have liked what we have shown to you. Virtually you must have enjoyed the fragrance of keema and the omelette. So please keep on encouraging us and telling us where we should go next. Whether you want us to visit Maharashtrian restaurants, whether you want us to do more of Irani cafe, we will surely do it for you and we'll also enjoy. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you leave a comment, it will make us happy. And you want to be happy and you will make us happy. So please leave your comments. Bye till the next time.
Bye.
Okay, we just wanted to put up a disclaimer here because I have so many good comments where they've said that we should use a mic. We have used a mic, but unfortunately the voice does not got captured. So which is why we are posting this video the way it is. we will surely take your feedback into account, and we are going to work on that mic thing and that noise cancellation thing which happens because of the mic. We're surely going to work on it. And thanks for your feedback. I've had a lot of people telling me a lot of good things about our vlog, and I think I'm really grateful for that. Or rather, we are grateful for all the feedback,
certainly.
and we will surely incorporate those in our videos. So please keep on sharing your feedbacks and tell us what we need to do.
And share the
Bye.
videos also.
Yeah, and please share our videos. Bye.